let's start part 2 of mounting this motor and getting all the parts mocked up, welded up, and get it going. So I've already pre-made the pieces for the frame, so we'll weld those onto the frame like that, and then the motor mounts are going to come off there. Made some cardboard templates, so it's going to go just like that. Then all that'll get welded on and it'll be good. So let's go ahead, we'll cut some pieces up, and then we'll start tacking this all on and getting it going. Alright, so here's the metal we're using right here, and we're gonna mark up all our templates on there, cut it all out, and then move it to the car, get it all tacked in. So let's get on that, let's get cutting. So we got all these cut, and here they go. So they're going to go from frame here to motor mount there. Then this will be across the top, and this will be like that. So motor on that side, frame on that side. We'll get all these tacked together, then start getting them tacked to the car.
Yeah!
Alright, so we got one motor mount already built and done and all that stuff. So there's the finished one, and there's the one that isn't finished. So we still got to weld it up, put the gussets in it to strengthen it all up, paint it up, get it to look like that. We're gonna have to, you know, grind down some of this once we weld it to the frame of the car. But for right now, I just wanted to go ahead and get it all painted up to get it all covered. So now let's get on welding this one up and get it looking like the other. Alright, so I already mounted the motor mounts, all that kind of stuff. I kind of just forgot to record everything, so let's check them out real quick. They're pretty much in. They still need some more welding. I just, you know, got a little tired. But we'll get back to welding them all up later, finishing them all up. But motor's mounted nice and hard, nice and sturdy. We'll get back to welding up some more later. Till then, catch you next video.